All right, guys, so let's take a look at how to actually access your affiliate link or an affiliate link to a product on the Selar platform. What I mean is, if you want to become an affiliate to a product on the Selar platform, how do you go about accessing your affiliate link? All right, so all you need to do is actually to log into the Selar platform by just typing selar.com. And with selar.com, you get a chance of having the Selar website. Then you go ahead to log in. You click on the hamburger. You go ahead and click on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. These 3 dashes here, which is the top right corner, the hamburger icon. You click on it. And having clicked on it, you scroll down and you can see log in. So you click on login and you log in with your official email and password to the Selar account. So here I'm going to type in my email to log in, and then I'm going to provide my password. Okay, so when you successfully log in to Selar, you can have access to your dashboard. You can see this is my dashboard, Jonathan Arthur. All right, this is my dashboard. Okay, so with the hamburger icon, the 3 dashes, which is the hamburger icon at the top corner, when you click on it, you can see your dashboard where you have your name would appear. That shows that that is your official account. Okay, so now you go back to your search browser and you type affiliate. Just go back to the top in the search box and type affiliate.selar. affiliate.selar.com. So when you type affiliate.selar.com, this will take you to the affiliate platform, which is the marketplace. So you're going to have this option here where you have access to go and see all the products that Selar platform has. So here you just click on get started. You click on get started, and when you click on get started, you can see it tells about discover amazing products from creators in Africa. And you have the search engine. So here you can see we have several products in the marketplace. All right, you have several products in the marketplace. When you scroll down, you can see lots and lots and lots of products. All right, you can see lots and lots and lots of products from different niches. You can see lots and lots of products from different niches. And at the bottom, you can see we have the niches or the categories of the different niches or categories of products that you can actually go and search through and find a product relating to any of these niches. Okay, so if you have the name of the product already, you just type. If you don't have the name, then you can just go ahead and type the niche that you want to actually find a product from to sell. So let's say you want to find a product from the niche affiliate marketing. You click on search, and this will bring you different products relating to affiliate marketing. And you can see the creators, the name of the creators of the products, and the title of the products as well. Now, don't forget, these are digital products. Okay. So let's say you have a particular niche in your mind, such as YouTube monetization. You can just type YouTube monetization and search for that product or products that teaches YouTube monetization. And you can see we have lots and lots of products on this. Now, all you need to do is look for the hot product that actually teaches YouTube monetization. Now, if you also want to look for, or if you have in mind a specific product name, such as Kodams, all you need to do is go ahead and type the name of the product, Kodams. Kodams actually stands for Comprehensive Online Digital and Affiliate Marketing Secrets. All right, so you can search for this product, and this product will come right ahead. So let's say you are actually looking forward to getting your affiliate link to this product. All right, you are looking for getting your affiliate link to this product. All you do is you click on the link, get link, and when you click on get link, you go ahead and then click on get link again. And this will give you the access to the affiliate link, such as what I have here. All right, it will give you access to the affiliate link such as what I have here. Now you have two different copies. So you can see copy at the top and copy at the down. Go ahead and choose this second copy. Yes, copy the down link. That is your affiliate link, your personal affiliate link. So that is what you use to promote and sell this product called Kodams. So having copied this link, you can now close this interface and then go ahead and paste this link in your WhatsApp chat. You can paste this link somewhere, save in your WhatsApp chat. You can just go ahead and open your WhatsApp chat and then you just paste this link in your WhatsApp chat. You wait for that to load, you wait for the link to load, and then you can also add a short text such as tell the prospect to click on this link and enter your. So once you are at this point, you can just go down and say enter your name, email, and contacts. All right, so enter your name, email, and contacts. So you can add this short text to this link so that your prospect can follow to actually process and then for the process and then make payment for your product. So you can actually even add that. You can add this option that says you can say follow the process and or you can say complete the process so enter your name, click on this link and enter your name, email, and contact number. Let's add the option that says click on this link and enter your correct name. Very important because some people go ahead to use their Nikki. So your correct name, email, contacts. So with contact, then you can now say you can add this other text that says follow the process and make payments. Follow the process and make payments to have access to your course. All right, so something as simple as this, you can add this. This is just a sample. You can choose to use your own message. I mean, you can customize the message to suit, what you want to tell your prospects. All right. So once you are done with this, you can just go ahead and you paste this in your WhatsApp chat. All right. You keep this saved in your WhatsApp chat. So when you have a prospect that you actually want to send your affiliate link to, so the prospect can actually pay for that product, you just forward this link to the prospect and the prospect will follow the process and then make payment. If you want to know how the process is like, clicking on the link and completing the payment process, watch my next video on that.